everyone. Today we would like to talk about integrated reporting, IR. Let me give you a background about integrated reporting. Now, traditionally, when we do our annual report, we are doing our annual report in a way that we combine different reporting together in a big report, right? Like for example, we actually have reporting from sustainability effort, like sustainability reporting. We have reporting about stakeholder analysis. Some company they report how they analyze the stakeholders, how they attempt to connect and communicate with the stakeholders. We also have risk management reports where the company reports about the risk management process and activities that they have done. We also have internal control and internal audit reports where company reports how they review the internal control, how do they decide where to improve, and how do they take into consideration the internal audit findings in improving the internal control. Of course, we have our financial statements where this is considered as financial reporting. We report our profit and loss in the past year, and then we report the financial positions of our company, right? So we have various types of reporting. These are not all. We also have reporting like about support of director, right? We have director remuneration disclosure. We also have the disclosure about directors whether the directors are active, right, in participating in meeting and also to attend training and so on. So we have different kind of reportings, and the annual reports that we usually have is a combination of all this reporting. We see the annual report as section by section, but we rarely see the connectivity of all this section. So integrated reporting is trying to introduce to us that all the aspects of the company are actually integrated, because one aspect will affect another and they may affect each other in different way. So because of the connectivity, if we look at the report separately and in isolation, it does not provide an overall picture of the company. So in order to have a more holistic view on the company's activity and how does it add value, integrated reporting was introduced, right? So integrated reporting promotes a way of integrated thinking. When we do reporting, we are not supposed to do in isolation and just compile everything together, but we are supposed to look at reporting in a way that we start from our strategy. So what are our strategies? What are our targets? What do we plan to do? And how do we plan for it? Right? What are our, or what were our plannings, and how do we allocate the resources and so on? And what are the activities that we have done, and what kind of result that we have derived from the activity? And we do not stop there. We continue with what is the future plan that we are having, given the result that we have achieved until the current moment. So how does it affect our future strategy, or whatever that we have reported until now, whatever that we have done until now? How does it affect the future strategy? So it links to the future as well, whether it is short term or long term future. So this is the idea of integrated reporting, where it serves like a storyline. Right? It serves like a storyline to let your stakeholder know what the company plan to do from the start until the end, from the strategy formation all the way until the result after they have taken the action, and how does it affect the future strategy. So it serves as a storyline, right? So a little bit introduction about integrated reporting. Traditional reporting is talking about short-term past result and rarely reports about the future strategy. But integrated reporting promotes more forward-looking. It's like more forward or more future orientation, where we are supposed to look at how our achievement affect the future planning and future strategy that we are going to do. Reporting should not be a separation as what I mentioned just now. It should provide an overall view to the stakeholders, right? Whether it is financial and non-financial, it should be done together, right? So integrated reporting will also help the stakeholders to see how the company use the resources in different area, and it serves like a storyline, what we are doing now and how does it affect our future strategy. The benefit of IR includes overall picture. It provides a holistic view. is not about past result, whatever that we have done in the past only. Because past result actually have lesser value because it is something that we cannot change already. And it does not mean with the past result, it is going to repeat in the future. It does not mean like this. Of course, it can be a lesson for us to learn, but it's not necessary in such a way. So the past result does not really add much value. But how does it uh, affect the future strategy? What does it mean for you in the future planning? This is the part that we are going to talk to our stakeholders, and this is the part that will add value to help them in their decision making. Then IR, integrated reporting, will fulfill the information needs of various stakeholders, not only shareholders, not only the financial information needs, but also the non-financial information needs, like how the company contribute to the society, how the company preserve the environment, so how the company build connections, right, with the stakeholders. All this information can satisfy the information needs of various stakeholders. And business looking at the entire company in a more holistic view can make a better decision in terms of resources allocation and also strategy formation, because strategy formation is no longer at isolation, it is now in an overall picture. So the resource allocation will be more precise, more efficient, and wastage can be reduced. And we can better align our strategy to the overall vision because we are looking at the company as a whole now. We are looking at the company in a holistic view with an overview point of view, right? So we are closer to achieving our vision and to stay on our mission, right? Eventually, because our stakeholders trust us due to the information we have provided to them, the trust can be built among the societies, and the company will be able to get the stakeholders' support when they are making a certain decisions. So I hope this will help you understand, giving you a brief idea and introduction about integrated reporting.